Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, in this video, I am going to discuss Accenture Virtual Internship Program for college student, graduates, postgraduate, for everyone basically. And also, we will discuss about the Infosys onboarding, which is planned on November 14th and on November 21st. So let us start with Infosys onboarding. So friends, Infosys has started the onboarding process, and you can also see here. So welcome to Infosys. Candidate ID has given, and the date of joining is November 21, 2022. And this is basically your onboarding process, right? So again, we have one more screenshot here. So welcome to Infosys, and the date of joining is November 21st, 2022, right? And for November 14th, also Infosys has started the onboarding date. Now, many of the students were asking, sir, we had given the interview, when the result will be announced. So friends, see, many of the candidate has already got the offer letter, and they are not getting the onboarding dates and all. So first that things will cover, and then only you will be expecting your interview result or your offer letter. And that is for sure, it might not happen this year, okay? Because see, this onboarding is only delayed. So if you are waiting for any kind of result or offer letter, then you need to wait, and we don't know for how much time we need to wait. And also Infosys has told that you need to share this 10th 12th diploma, and if you have done any graduation or post graduation marks in this particular format, right? So they are asking, once you come, I know, during the launch pad meeting itself, right? So that they will verify if you have 60% or not, right? Now, the second opportunity is definitely for Accenture internship program. So as I said, so from any batch, any degree, you will be able to do this internship, a virtual internship program, okay? Now, so there are two type of internship exactly here is, one is the consultant program and one is the developer program. So once you click over there, then you will be redirected to this particular page, okay? So Accenture consultant program, and then we have Accenture developer program. Before that friends, I wanted to tell you, so if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will be getting all the updates and you won't miss anything, right? Okay, now, so you can read about this internship program here, because you will be also getting the free certification. So this consultant program is free. The program is self-paced. It takes 4 to 5 hours to complete this Accenture consultant program and get practical skills and experience from Accenture, and use this experience on your resume in line with our policy. So friends, basically, this is a, you can say it like online internship, and this you will be able to use in your resume, or during the interview you can definitely use it. That is even mentioned on their platform, right? So why to join this virtual experience program, they have clearly given here, because you will be able to understand how Accenture works, and how the industry runs, what all things are required. Because maybe you will be in second year or third year, you will not be able to realize the how company works. So this is a great opportunity. So you will be able to earn a certificate, set yourself for success, learn direct from Accenture, gain real work experience, do it in your time. And also once you complete this, then only you will be getting the certificate. And they have given your project priorities and planning. Set your project priorities, assemble a plan, user journey redesign, okay? So they have given the complete things, okay? Now, so this Accenture developer program, so this is a very good program, because this is related to development. And same thing here also, you'll be getting a certificate, earn a certificate, okay? And then define technical requirement, design changes to an existing architecture, scale on premise system infrastructure to the cloud, reading and understanding code, attention to details, debugging algorithm, unit testing, user accept testing, security maturity assessment, IAM policies and permission. See friends, many of the student tell, sir, this is useless, or I have already done, I'm not able to get anything. Friends, I will tell you, see, many times during the interview, you get the questions based on the testing, okay? So here you will have like hands-on experience, what is unit testing, right? And then again, I saw somewhere, okay? So what is technical requirements, what is all those things you will be able to understand. Debugging algorithm, so what is basically debugging algorithm, what is acceptance testing, okay? So when we work on the GUI front end, then that things comes in picture, right? So yeah, so and SDLC, so that term I was not able to recall. Yeah, now it is SDLC. So like what is technical requirements, so all those things definitely it will be used, okay? But if you are just watching for the sake of just I uploaded the video and you are somehow completing, then definitely it won't be useful, and you will put in the comment that, sir, I have done it, but it did not help me out. Okay. So all the link will be given in description. So start it, finish it off, earn a certificate, make your resume stronger. Okay. If you'll apply for 100 jobs, maybe you will be getting call from only 10 companies to write the exam or to attend the interviews, and you need only one job. Okay. Thank you. Take care. All the very best. And all your queries definitely put in the comment box. I will be taking it off. Thanks.